Can you answer these 5 questions about dire wolves? What time period did dire wolves primarily live in? Pleistocene epoch. What kind of animals did dire wolves mostly hunt? Large mammals like bison, camels, and horses. What is the name of Jon Snow's dire wolf in the GOT series? It is Ghost. Where have most dire wolf fossils been found? La Brea Tar Pits in California. What caused the extinction of the dire wolf? It was the climate change and competition with other predators. Share your score in the comments and subscribe for more interesting quizzes.